In our industry of tile and design, we needed it to move beyond product. I think it's a very product-obsessed industry. How that product is made, where it's made, who made it, the company behind it is arguably even more important. How do we take that craftsman mentality? How do we take this idea of art and ceramics, but do it at scale? We were just a tile company. That wouldn't have honestly been very motivating. So I think for myself, I was looking for more purpose and more mission. I think that B Corp for us has been, really a framework for how to kind of think about using business as a force for good. And it really gives us kind of a blueprint on how to move forward correctly and how we can use better materials or reduce waste. That then leads to energy and energy efficiency.
Right from the earliest conversations that Eric and I had, it was very clear that we use a ton of power. We're thinking about building, we're busting at the seams. We're building these new facilities. We're going to electrify our kilns. It's going to be even more power that we can offset though. And so how do we optimize? How do we become more efficient?
It just made perfect sense to put solar panels on the roof. It was a no-brainer. I'd say not just because of their focus on renewable energy and sustainability, but also just because of commitment to the successful outcome of the project.
Making an industry, like an industrial organization like that, sustainable for one thing that's not easy to do. It's definitely taking a risk. It's gutsy.
So we all have this connection to earth and clay that I think is very inherent in human nature. And so at Fireclay, we really invite you into that process. We always say our story starts with yours.
It's all baked in, literally and figuratively baked into the tile. It's pretty cool.